Welcome to another episode of unboxing and taking a first look at some different parts that we have. This is a electronic boost controller from Grimmspeed that is for the 02 to 05 Subaru WRX, and we're going to be unboxing this today. So let's go ahead and open this up. So one thing that I did notice when I got this package is that the packaging that Grimmspeed sends out is really interesting, and I love the way that they package this. So open up the box and there's another kind of half box cardboard, but they put their messages all over this, so I think this is really good, just as far as just to keep it structurally sound and have good protection. And then the other side of this piece of cardboard is where the actual product is. So if you wanted to go through and read all of this, this has all of their kind of marketing and installation guides and stuff on the front. If we take the product out, here is the 3-port electronic boost controller from Grimmspeed. I love the packaging, like I said, and it also comes with all of the tubing that you're going to need to re-hook this up to your car. You are going to have to tune for this when you put this on. The only reason I bought this was because I'm putting on 565 injectors as well as catless up pipe and down pipe. So this will help control how much boost you're running in the car electronically. Another way that people do this is with a manual boost controller, but since I have this as well as the cob access port, then it's going to do all of the work by itself, and then you can also go through the access port and change what boost and what tune you're going to be running for that day. But this is an excellent product if you want to have precise boost amounts depending on the weather and how much you actually want to be running. So like the packaging, really good product. Can't wait to install this on the car. I want to say a huge thank you to Grimmspeed for providing such a good product for today's video. Cannot wait to show you guys the installation video. It's super simple, just a couple bolts, and then we'll go off, get our tune, and then we should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay with you.